How's everybody doing out there? It's Brian. Today we're going to talk about recovery kits. We're going to talk about especially the Adventure X Outdoors recovery kit, and then just recovery kits in general. There's a lot to talk about, lots of different things that go into recovery. But before we do, please, if you like what you see, please like this video, hit the subscribe button. It helps the algorithm and all those other things on YouTube. I'm newer, but I've been researching and learning. All right. If you guys didn't know, Sky's Overland, we are a veteran-owned. I'm a wounded warrior. We're a veteran-owned company where we help take other veterans and combat veterans, male and female, out camping and off-roading and overlanding and stuff to help work on their mental health. It's very big in the veteran community, the whole community, everybody in general, but especially the military community. So every little bit helps. Like, subscribe, and let's see if we can't, let's break the internet. Let's do it. Come on, guys, let's break the internet. All right, so now we've gotten some of the admin stuff out. Let's talk about this recovery kit specifically. So this is the Adventure X Outdoors recovery kit. It's a very great company. They reached out to me on Instagram and we had a little discussion. They sent me this kit and I'm loving it already. So let's go ahead and be honest up front. I do not have a ton of experience with recovery. I'm newer to the off-road overland community and I'm man enough to admit that. I know that I needed a recovery kit and these guys stepped up, built a great kit, and here we are. There are several brands that make recovery kits, and I'm not here to say one's better than the other because I don't know. I'm still learning. But we're going to talk specifically about this kit and then maybe some things that we can add to or take away or some different things in the recovery process that everybody does that we can go from there. So let's check out this kit. Okay, so let's start with the rope, the most important parts. This is a 30-foot by 2-inch diameter kinetic rope, okay? You have a couple of elastic bands to help hold it together. Let me read what you got so you can get the exact information, all right? But it's got a working load limit of 15,000 plus pounds and a max break strength of over 30,000 pounds. I think that's more than enough for my Tacoma and my friends that are usually out with me in, Forerunners, Tacomas, Jeeps, stuff like that. I think this would work perfectly. I'm digging the color. You got some heavy nylon over the looped ends. So that's the first part of the kit. Let's see what else we got in here. So next you have a couple soft shackles. All right, these are, I believe, 1 inch in diameter, about 20 or so inches long. Once again, they have this good piece of nylon to keep the rope protected. Really cool. So I know soft shackles are more in these days. I've been seeing a lot of videos, lots of companies talking about how soft shackles are, I don't know if maybe more safe, stronger. Real quick, the information on these is they have a 24,000 pound working load limit and a 48,000 pound max break strength, that's quite a lot. All right. Like on most people, I have a couple of those metal D-rings in the front of my Tacoma that I put on there. They're more for looks. I have used them the one time I got stuck, but they're more for looks. So I have these now. So as I get out there and more experience, I'll try these out and we'll see what we got. But let me know what you guys think. Do you guys prefer the soft shackle? Do you guys prefer the D-ring? Or is there something else out there that I've never even heard of or may not know about? Come on the loop. Tell everybody. Let's see what we got. All right, last but not least, you have the bag. This thing is a really heavy-duty bag, a strong double-sewn zipper. It's similar to a bowling ball bag. I'm sorry. This thing is really, really thick and heavy-duty. The handle is really cool because it's this plastic piece that slides in, and this is much easier to carry than just say 2 nylon straps. That's how you choose to carry it. You have lots of pockets on the inside and the outside. So this brings me into my next question. What else should I, as a new guy out here in off-roading and overlanding, what else should I carry besides what I already have? Should I carry some gloves? Maybe some shears to cut down branches that are in my way? What else? What else would you guys carry? I know there are thousands of things, but what else should I carry out there? Let me know in the comments below, and we'll check it out. So guys, that is the Adventure X Outdoors Recovery Kit. This thing is really, really cool, heavy duty. Orange is a really bright, shiny, awesome color. I haven't exactly decided if I'm going to keep it in the bag in the truck somewhere, or maybe just take these items out and keep them stowed in my deck system or behind the seat or something. We'll see and play with it and kind of go from there. Tell me about your recovery kits in the comments below. Let's have a discussion. There's no right way to do this. There are just hundreds of different ways, and some people's ways may work better than other people's ways. I know that kinetic ropes are a big thing, but not everybody uses them. Some people have straps. I've seen cargo straps. I've seen tow straps. A lot of guys and gals have winches. I know that there are different types of winches. I don't have one yet. When I get to that point, then that would be a cool video to make and a cool discussion to have. But what else in the recovery gear world should we carry? What else works? What maybe doesn't work? What are some of these gimmicky things you guys see out there that you think are kind of dumb and they don't work? What does work? So let's talk. Have comments below. Let's have this discussion. Let's all learn something else together, all right? Thanks. We'll see you next time.